Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to remove friends from close friend list on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. We may want to delete someone from close friend list since we are no longer close or in contact with them. You have the option to remove specific users from your list of close friends on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app in your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Close Friends. Unselect the people you want to remove from close friends. Tap on Done. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to remove friends from close friends list on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.